What is up, guys? Yeah. Oh, that was slush. Oh, guys. Oh, I hear plastic cracking. What a day to be out. Oh, this sucks. Yeah, biggest snowstorm yet. Oh yeah. Yeehaw. That's the EFI wiper, yeah. So, I got a snowflake in the eye. I'm going to... Oh. I'm gonna die today. Oh yeah. Come on, battery. I know you don't like the snow. Oh yeah, everything's like ice, snow. I can't even see because I forgot to put my glasses on, which I'll do up. Oh, I'll do here because I can't see. Yeah, stop sign. How about stop sign? Jesus Louises. And I have to wipe the camera. Holy crap. Jesus, slick out today. Whoa, whoa. Yeah. Oh. Okay, camera wipe, glasses on. Yeah, so. Glasses help a little bit. They fog up pretty quick though. And a day like this, you kind of want to watch, because you hit any little patch of snow and you're, like that stuff. Holy crap. As I'm slipping, I give it more gas. Oh, yeah. I was going to see if I can make it to a dollar store also after Thrashers, but that won't be happening. Won't make it there. Battery will be dead by the time I get to Thrashers. I just want to check out their Coco and a few other things. Oh god, this is brutal stuff to be driving a bike in, but I love it. So much fun. Let's go this way. Gives you a little bit of a workout too. Whew. Yeehaw. Yeah, I'm going to keep trying to wipe the camera, guys. You know, every couple minutes or so, or whenever I remember. Oh, oh. Yeehaw. Yeah. If you see the camera kind of tilting, it's because my head, I'm trying to block some of the snow and wind going in my eyeballs with these glasses, and one lens is completely fogged. Oh, I'm surprised I haven't lost it yet. I wonder if Tipsy's bringing his camera with him today. He has some running around to do. Yeah. Four-way stop. I stopped. And we go. Oh god. Green light, but I won't make that. No bloody way. Oh, what a blizzard. Whoa. Hee-haw. This is some beautiful riding today. Yeah, I think this might be the last snowfall. That's in my guess. We're getting hit now. And the garden center. Why aren't they open? Like, oh, there we go. Whoa, whoa. This light won't change this for me. And there's no pussy button on. Jeez, maybe it will. Maybe it's just timed. Oh, yeah. Thrasher's probably like, why are we even here today? Good. Hold on a second. Why am I going into work today? I know I should have a back camera with me, but it's been a lot of work lately trying to upload those videos and put it in one. Oh, green light means go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Oh, look, I got 2 green lights. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Okay, I'll be right back. Hell yeah, guys, I'm back. Yeah. Back to snow. Oh, I forgot to put my eyeballs on. I wonder if I can just cope with it. So, shit's happening. I went in, I got one of those humidity domes for growing. I should put for the Tipsy Trip and Redneck Show channel. Ooh, Jesus Christ. Okay, I gotta go this way. This stupid signal. Oh yeah, I should have stopped and put my glasses on. Now it's gonna be hard, one hand driving. Oh, I almost lost them. Oh, this road is plowed. That's just surprising, this little road. Okay, get on there, glasses. I got some letters, there's some mail going out to David Ringer. You always see him in the chat. Hell yeah, I meant to drop it off the other day, but Tipsy and I ended up doing something, didn't have time before work. I can't remember what the hell that was. So, okay, and then I'll tell you what I got. I hope that was just the letter I put in there, not the envelope of the $1 million lottery ticket. Oh, I can't see. I almost hit that bank. I can't see shit. Glasses on. Okay, gotta get out here before the truck comes. Oh yeah, Jesus. I gotta wipe the camera. Don't get hit by any cars coming. Oh, I'm so pissed I lost my goggles. Camera wipe. So yeah, I got the growing dome, which I never had before, which is going to help. It's going to keep the plants, you know, I'm going to start seeding these probably on the weekend or so, because it should be about 2 weeks, 2 weeks or so, so that I can order the rest and it gets here anyway. So I got a brick of cocoa, which was $5.99 for a brick. It's going to make more than enough. I got a bag of, why do I always call it pea tile? Oh, what is it? The white pallet. Pea tile. Perlite's what it's called. Got a bag of that. I think it's a 5-pound bag for $4, which ain't bad. Maybe it's a 10-pound bag. I was looking online, holy crap. I also found that they have bags of pure cocoa, and it's $30 for one of the huge bags. I didn't get the weight, but that's even better than what I found online. So that's where I'm getting the cocoa stuff from anyways. I'm going to rig this up. Yeah, updates and that will be on Tipsy Trip and Rednecks. I'll probably put an unboxing on this channel as well. I don't know, channels are just all messed up. Oh yeah, I got it, guys, I got it. Just give her until he can't give it anymore. It definitely should be on Viper's Bad Drivers and Road Rash's Bad Drivers, and someone else I was watching that does bad drivers. I definitely should be on that. Oh my god, what's wrong with the city? They're plowing all these little roads that don't matter, that are never plowed. Like this road's never plowed. It's the worst road to come to work on. And yeah, I'm taking the back way in. Oh yeah, nice and snowy down in here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We got it, guys. Oh, almost. Surprised I haven't wiped out yet. Thanks, Dad. Oh yeah. Nope, it's not gonna get up here. Hell yeah, guys. Okay guys, I gotta get everything inside and tarp the bike. That'll be it for that one. Oh PS, we're going live on Tipsy Trippin' Adventures tonight. Have a great day. Stay tipsy, stay tripping, stay redneck. Cheers, y'all.